Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're exploring an architectural icon that's making a massive comeback, the A-frame cabin. But we're not talking about dusty, old structures. We're talking about the sleek, modern, and incredibly efficient A-frame prefab cabin house. This style combines the timeless, adventurous spirit of the A-frame with the speed, predictability, and affordability of factory-built construction. We've found the top 10 best A-frame prefab cabin house ideas that prove your weekend getaway or full-time sanctuary is closer than you think. Let's dive in. An A-frame prefab cabin house is a residential structure characterized by its steep, triangular roof that often reaches the foundation, creating the distinct A shape. The prefab, or prefabricated, element means that the structure's components, from wall panels and roof sections to entire modules, are manufactured off-site in a controlled factory environment. These pieces are then shipped to the building site for rapid assembly. This hybrid approach delivers the romantic, high-ceilinged aesthetic of the A-frame with the quality control and cost savings inherent in modern prefabrication techniques. The benefits of choosing a prefab A-frame are compelling, blending practical construction advantages with unique design features. Firstly, speed and cost certainty. Since the majority of construction happens indoors, there are no weather delays, and material waste is minimized, which keeps project timelines tight and budgets predictable. Secondly, structural resilience. The steep, triangular shape is inherently strong, making it excellent for regions with heavy snow loads or high winds, as snow slides off easily. Thirdly, optimized interior space. The high, open-plan ceiling creates a dramatic, spacious feeling, often allowing for an upper-level loft or mezzanine, maximizing the usable square footage within a smaller, efficient footprint. Decorating the exterior of your A-frame prefab is about celebrating its shape and natural surroundings. Material selection is crucial. Opt for high-quality, durable siding materials that enhance the geometric form, such as vertical wood planks, cedar or shiplap, stained dark for contrast or left natural to weather, or sleek, dark corrugated metal to emphasize a modern industrial look. Maximize the glass facade. Ensure the large triangular or trapezoidal window wall is pristine and uncluttered, as it is the main visual feature. Add seamless extensions. Integrate a large, simple wooden deck or a stone patio directly off the main floor entrance. Using the same wood for the deck as for the structure's trim provides visual continuity and makes the cabin feel permanently rooted in the landscape. The sheer variety and quality in today's prefab market are astonishing. These aren't just cabins, they're architectural statements designed for minimal fuss and maximum impact. Get ready to be inspired. Let's explore the top 10 best A-frame prefab cabin house ideas that showcase the pinnacle of this design movement. One, the classic timber-clad A-frame with upper deck. This model is the quintessential A-frame, featuring dark-stained horizontal wood siding running up the steep roofline. The facade is dominated by a full-height glass window wall that follows the pitch of the roof. Unusually, this design incorporates a small, cantilevered wooden balcony on the upper loft level, providing a private outdoor space high up in the eaves. The structure sits on a simple raised foundation, emphasizing its striking silhouette against the natural surroundings. 2. The modern black minimalist A-frame. A truly contemporary take, this cabin features a sleek, unified exterior clad entirely in matte black vertical metal panels, roof and walls alike, giving it a striking, monolithic appearance. The contrast between the dark exterior and the expansive triangular glass facade is dramatic and modern. The design includes a seamless wooden deck extension that provides a clear visual break from the black material, welcoming visitors into the sharp geometry. 3. The forest retreat with stone fireplace chimney. This A-frame blends natural materials beautifully. The sides and base are clad in warm natural wood siding, while the front is anchored by a functional, visible stone fireplace chimney. This stone element adds a rugged, traditional texture and suggests coziness. The triangular end wall features a mix of glass and solid cladding, creating a balanced, inviting entrance. 4. The doghouse dormer A-frame for maximized space. This design cleverly overcomes the low-ceiling challenge of the traditional A-frame loft. A prominent rectangular dormer, often called a doghouse extension, projects from the roofline. This projection allows for full-height walls and usable windows on the second floor, maximizing the interior utility of the loft space while maintaining the iconic A-shaped structure below. The exterior features a warm, uniform gray-brown wood cladding. 5. The double-wide contemporary A-frame. This model shows how prefab A-frames can expand into larger homes. It features a wide, symmetrical footprint created by joining two A-frame sections or adding horizontal segments. The exterior is a clean, light gray composite siding, giving it a crisp, modern look. The large facade includes sliding glass doors that open up the main level completely to a spacious deck. 6. The elevated A-frame on piers with covered deck. Designed for challenging terrain or flood zones, this A-frame is dramatically elevated on tall wooden or steel piers. The structural base provides a covered area underneath for storage or parking. The facade is a stunning wall of glass, and a large, wide set of stairs leads up to the main deck, creating a sense of arrival and providing panoramic views. The cladding is a medium stained wood. 7. The split-level A-frame with integrated planters. A highly architectural model that uses contrasting elements. This A-frame sits on a low, horizontal base section that might house utility areas or a lower bedroom. The exterior features a mix of vertical dark wood paneling and clean white or light gray stucco on the base. The front deck uniquely incorporates integrated wooden planters or seating areas, softening the sharp lines of the building with greenery. 8. The bright white and wood hybrid A-frame. Combining the best of modern and rustic, this home uses bright white vertical wood siding on the main structure, contrasting sharply with the warm, natural wooden trim and deck. The A-frame peak is framed beautifully by this contrast. The design incorporates multiple recessed lighting fixtures on the deck and under the eaves, highlighting the structure's geometry in the evening. 9. The wide gabled A-frame with recessed entry. This wide A-frame model utilizes a broad roof pitch, giving it a lower, grounded profile. The entrance is recessed or carved out of the main facade, providing a protected porch area that is fully integrated into the building's shape. The exterior is clad in long, dark gray or black vertical slats, providing a sleek, shadow-casting texture that makes the home feel subtle yet luxurious. 10. The simple, single-module prefab A-frame. Our final idea is a perfect example of efficiency. This is a small, single-module A-frame, built for minimal site impact and fast assembly. The exterior features uniform, medium brown horizontal plank siding. The design is straightforward, with a clean triangular window and a simple wooden porch built right at ground level, proving that beautiful, iconic design can be achieved even at the smallest scale. The A-frame prefab cabin is more than a trend, it's a smart, stylish solution to modern housing challenges. By taking the assembly process into a controlled factory, companies can deliver these stunning, architecturally significant homes with unparalleled speed and cost-effectiveness. Whether you crave the cozy rustic charm or the sleek lines of a minimalist retreat, the prefab A-frame offers an exciting path to your dream getaway. Which one of these A-frame designs made you want to pack your bags and move to the mountains? Let me know your favorite design in the comments below. If you're inspired by the ingenuity of prefab architecture, please smash that like button. Your support helps us bring you more innovative housing solutions. And for a continuous flow of design inspiration for better, smarter, and more beautiful homes, make sure you subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios and hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.